Good luck on the bird, guys. 7388 dice roll. 3 times on the dice. Going 1, 2, and 3. 3 here, 3 here. Cardinals up top. Buffalo Bills at the bottom. And let's go 3 times on your names. Going 1, 2, and 3. 3 here, 3 here. Darren up top. Josh Markham at the bottom. The black early bird, 7388. Let's sort them out. And there's your teams. Good luck, everybody. Let's rip. Here we go. Whenever Bob works, he just runs whatever the hell he feels like. I tell you, that's Santa Bobby. He goes crazy. The black early bird. Good luck. Box got a thin pack here. Off the back, Malik Neighbors. Nice start there. 72 out of 99 on the Neighbors. We got base of Trevor Lawrence for Jacksonville. RPA 13 out of 99. Dallas Turner. The Minnesota Vikings. Dallas Turner to 99. Going to Mike Lind. Auto of A.J. Barner to 99 for Seattle. Seattle Seahawks going to Wallace Holmes on the A.J. Barner. And Jermaine Burton, sizable memorabilia, 42 out of 99. For the Bengals and Matt Wolgamuth. Again, quick recap on the black early bird. Jermaine Burton, A.J. Barner, Dallas Turner to 99. Trevor Lawrence and Malik Neighbors, 72 out of 99 for the Giants and Randall Jenkins. Again, that is the break, everybody. Nice hits. Appreciate the fill.